Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is an exciting day. I am doing a collab with my friend Gigi from Gigi Loves Beauty 2 here on YouTube. We have collabed before. I think we did a Valentine's Day collab with each other, of course, earlier in the year, and we meant to do a fall collab and just didn't get around to it. So here we are kind of teaming together for the holidays to create a holiday look for you guys. So of course I will have her channel and her video linked down below. So definitely check her out and I will tell you more about Gigi when we get into the video. But if you are from Gigi's channel and you're joining me for the first time, welcome and thank you so much for checking me out. I'm so happy to have you here and I appreciate you taking the time to check my video out, and I do hope that you will subscribe and become one of my Dollar Divas. And of course, if you're returning, you probably remember Gigi, or if you're a newer Dollar Diva, you might not remember us collabing, so go check out my friend. She has become one of my dearest friends through this wonderful platform called YouTube, and I'm just so excited that half of this is the people that you meet. So it's just so fun to do things like this. Without any further chit chat, let me show you how I got this holiday look. So I've got my eyebrows done and I've also carved them out, and this is what I used. This is from the Dollar Tree. Actually, both these products are from the Dollar Tree. This is my LA Colors Brow Cream Gel in dark brown. And to carve them out and clean them up, I used the LA Colors Conceal and Correct. This is in yellow. So the next thing I'm gonna do before we get into the actual eyeshadow is I'm gonna go in. I haven't done this in a while. I used to do this all the time, but I think I'm gonna start getting into this again. And that is laying down like a white base on my eye to make my shadows pop a little bit more. And this is the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil. I have a new one from LA Colors that I just hauled from the Dollar Tree. It's called like the Marshmallow Pencil or something like that. This I found at, I think it was either Family Dollar or Big Lots or something last year sometime, but it's a dupe basically for the NYX Jumbo Eye Crayon in Milk. So I'm just gonna kind of put this all over. And this is not quite as creamy as the NYX if you've ever used the NYX one. I've used the NYX one for years, but it's a really good dupe. So I'm just gonna put this all over my lid and then just kind of spread it out with my finger. So now we're gonna get into the eyeshadow. First of all, you know I am doing this collab with my friend Gigi, and a few months ago, she loves eyeshadow, you guys. Seriously, like her eyeshadow, her taste in eyeshadow is amazing. Her looks are amazing. She already owned the Modern Renaissance palette, and it's one of her favorites. She acquired another one, like in a BoxyCharm or a subscription box, and she gifted it to me. So that was really sweet of her, and I'm just so excited to have it. And like I said, you guys, you have to go check her out. She seriously is like just one of the most amazing, genuinely sweet people that, not that I've just come across on YouTube, but just if we were in each other's everyday lives, I know I would feel the same way. She's just absolutely amazing, and it was so sweet of her to give this to me because she certainly did not have to do that, and it's just so sweet and thoughtful of her. And so of course this palette's beautiful. I've used it quite a bit over the last few months. And so yeah, we're gonna do like a holiday look. Now we started out this collab where we were both gonna use this palette, but I don't know if she's still gonna use this palette. She might dip into it some, she might not, but I do know she wants to put some glitter and some sparkle, just like I do as well. We both have very much the same taste in eyeshadow in that way. So if you love me for that reason, you will definitely love her for that reason. Like I said, I don't know if she's gonna use this palette anymore or if she's gonna use something else, but I decided to still go ahead and use it because I have not used it on camera yet. So I'm gonna first go into the shade here, Tempura. A couple months back, I duped the Natasha Denona Retro palette, the new one that they had come out with, and I think I used this palette quite a bit in that video. I will have that link down below. So my friend Gigi, she is getting so close to 1,000 subscribers, and I would love to see us get her over that hurdle. She posts quite a bit of content. She does just about every Sunday. She goes live, and she is really great live. I'm terrified to go live, and she's just so good at it. She is just so good at it. So if you love live videos, she does one of those a week. She does empties, she does makeup looks, she does like unboxings, she does like, I don't know if it's Stitch Fix or another thing like that, but she does like these clothing unboxings. So the first shade I'm gonna go into, I'm gonna put this all the way up to my crease, is this shade here, Love Letter. She'll also do like eyeshadow, like collection videos or different like collection videos, and she'll like rank her palettes. You know, like if she's got her ColourPop palettes or whatever, she will like rank them or like show you what palette she has of like a certain brand. You know, she'll share like her favorite lipsticks, like favorite nude lipsticks, her favorite fall palettes, all that kind of thing. So if you enjoy those types of videos, definitely check her out. She posts a lot of looks on her, I think pretty much every day. She will post on her Instagram different eyeshadow looks. So if you enjoy seeing eyeshadow looks, I'm telling you, she's your girl. Okay, I'm gonna clean off my brush and then just kind of blend that in a little bit more. I'm gonna take a different brush, something a little bit more compact, and I'm gonna go into this shade here. I think you pronounce it red ochre or something like that. Anyway, I mess up the pronunciation of words all the time. And I'm gonna kind of put this lower onto my lid. So I'm not gonna bring it up quite as high. So now we're gonna get into the shimmer. So I have this product here that I don't use nearly enough. It's the only Stila Glitter and Glow that I've paid full price for because I loved the shade. It's in Rock and Rose. It's kind of like duochrome-esque. It's beautiful. And I don't use it nearly enough. So I think I'm gonna pop that onto the center of my eye. So I'm just gonna use like a flat brush to do this. I'm so excited to see the look she's gonna come up with for the holidays. Like I said, this is kind of like a holiday look because I know she is like me. She loves her some glitter, sparkle. She's not afraid. She, you know, she can do some amazing natural looks, but she is not afraid of glitter, color, anything. And I'm pretty sure her favorite color is purple. I might be wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure that her favorite color is purple. And so hers might be kind of the same color tone, even if she doesn't use this palette. And then again, like I said, her eyeshadow looks always surprise me too, because she just comes up with so many cool things. And so I'm super excited to see what she's gonna come up with. So now I wanna smoke this out just a little bit more on the outer part of the eye. I'm gonna go into this Cypress Umber. It's like a brown shade, and just kind of put a little bit like on the outer part of my eye, just a bit. I'm just doing very little, and then I'm gonna just kind of blend it real good. It's probably not as much a halo eye as I wanted, but that's okay. It's still very, very pretty. So I'm gonna put on some mascara, some liquid liner, and lashes, and I will be right back. So I not only put on my lashes, but I put on my foundation and concealer as well. I used the Believe Beauty foundation in Buff. Amazing foundation, my favorite. Then under my eyes, and I actually put this on before my foundation, went ahead back in with that LA Colors Conceal and Correct. So now we can move on to like the fun stuff. And this video is literally gonna be like the perfect combination between like drugstore, high-end, Dollar Tree, all that good stuff. This is actually what I do in real life, but I don't always do it in videos where I mix the products together. But I do, I use my Dollar Tree stuff, I use my high-end stuff, I use my drugstore stuff, all just like in perfect harmony. So this is really a little bit more to like what my real life is all the time. So I've got some kind of fun products that I haven't used on camera or haven't used in a little while. So the first thing is gonna be, I think you've seen this on my channel before, I found this some time ago. It's the Too Faced Natural Lust Bronzer, beautiful packaging. That's what the inside looks like. It's not the most intense bronzer, it's a little bit shimmery, and it just has like a really nice, like beautiful effect. And I do so much like with like really intense bronzers and stuff that every now and again it's nice to go back to a product like this. And there's something about this packaging that makes me feel really, really spoiled because it's just so pretty. And I'm pretty sure that bird just like goes all the way down because I've used this quite a bit actually. And it just gives a really, really nice little hint of color. So now I'm gonna go in with blush, and we're gonna use my LA Colors because it's, I think, just kind of the best color for this look. This is the LA Colors Blush Single. This is in Spice. See, that's just a really nice shade. I tend to always go heavy-handed. I'm gonna try not to do that. Can't make any promises. So now a product, or two products rather, that I've never used on camera, but I do really enjoy these. I'm still kind of learning how to work with them exactly, but they're from Tarte. It's the Shape Tape Glow Wand. I have the shade Sunbeam, and the Shape Tape Glow Powder. I dislike this packaging so much, it feels so cheap, but the product is really nice. But this is the Shape Tape Glow Powder. This is in Sunlit. I've never bought anything from the Shape Tape line before these. QVC made me buy these. They had like this duo and like a brush like on there one day, and it just looked so good. So the next time I was in Ulta, I bought them. So you can kind of do like a lot of things with these. Like I like to put it under my eyes and up here after I've put on foundation and concealer and all that kind of thing. And then this is like a highlighting powder, but it can be used for like an all over glow as well. So the glow wand is dual-sided. So it's got like a little sponge on this side, and you can actually take it out, I guess, to wet it and then, or, you know, and then like put it there. I use that sometimes. Then of course you've got the wand. So I just like to put some, and I'm sure I went overboard, so I'm gonna just take from Peter and give to Paul. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. double-sided blender that I found at the Dollar Tree. I've experimented with a bunch of different ways of like spreading this out. I've used my concealer brush, I've used the applicator that it comes with. Like I said, I am still learning this product. So this is designed to kind of illuminate areas that you want to illuminate. And you know, for a lot of us, it's kind of around our eyes and all that kind of thing. So it's a subtle effect, but a beautiful one nonetheless. Then this brush here, so I just did a video where I kind of show you all these amazing makeup brushes from the Dollar Tree. It's kind of like the ultimate Dollar Tree makeup brush starter kit type of concept. This brush here was in that, and I literally use this brush for this purpose with this powder. And so then I just take some on there. I try to start out here and then move it under. I'm still gonna go in with some little bit of loose powder, you know, just to kind of tone down like the center of my face. I probably honestly should have done that first, and then I'm not above taking a little bit. And that just kind of, it just kind of brightens up under your eyes a bit. And I think it's really pretty. You know, like I said, I don't know if it's worth the money necessarily, but I was very interested, and like I said, QVC made me buy it. So this is a product I'd wanted for a while and finally splurged on it. It's the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. Comes with a little brush, and yeah, it's just a really, really, really nice highlighter. It's a nice highlighter, like it's really like intense and stuff, but honestly, I don't know that it's anything too much more special than anything that I've used. But like I said, every now and again, I do splurge, so a little that goes a long way, and I'm actually gonna use my powder brush and just kind of tone it down quite a bit, because I do tend to go a little overboard. So now for powder, this is the Hard Candy Translucent Powder. This is from the Sheer Envy line. So I'm just gonna kind of lightly put this mainly right here, kind of all around. This creates a really beautiful, like airbrushed finish, and a little bit goes a long way. So now we're done with the face, we're gonna finish up the eyes. So definitely gonna add something on the inner corner, gonna line underneath, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna do these two shades right here. I'm gonna first go in with Love Letter. I'm gonna do my best not to make a mess. Then I'm gonna use that other shade, that brown shade, and then just kind of blend them together. And you kind of use more of a smudger brush with the other shade on it. I'm gonna concentrate that more towards the outside. The other shade I put a little bit more towards the inside. And for my waterline, I'm gonna go in with this Jumbo Eye Pencil, put that right in my waterline. I'm actually gonna drag it to the inner corner as well. Look at that, what a difference. So now to kind of put on my inner corner, I'm gonna use the shade here, Vermeer. I think that's how you say it, Vermeer. So I'm gonna use like a precision brush. Of course, I'm gonna wet it with some setting spray. I think I'm gonna carry a little bit of this up here too. Yeah, we have pretty much totally moved away from the halo eye, but that's okay. We're just having fun playing, creating holiday makeup look with our friends, and it's just supposed to be fun. So this was a recent Dollar Tree find as well. It's the Maybelline Lip Color Palette. It comes with a little brush that is perfect. And I think for this look, to really make it like holiday and just festive and dramatic, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Yeah, it's gonna be perfect. And I've been skipping lining my lips lately because I just go overboard. So there we are, our look is done. I'm wearing super festive earrings, of course. And yeah, I just think we got a really nice, just fun, sparkly, kind of Christmas cranberry type of a look, you know, using just lots of different types of products, you know, Dollar Tree, drugstore, high-end, things that you haven't seen, things that I haven't used a whole lot. all that good stuff. But most importantly, this is a collab, a holiday collab with my friend Gigi. So I'm so glad, Gigi, that we could collab for a holiday look. And again, I cherish our friendship so very much. So yeah, everybody, please definitely go check out my friend Gigi. Help her and her channel out by subscribing to her. And like I said, there's so much content that she does, and you will absolutely love her, I promise. She is just wonderful, just a genuinely sweet, wonderful human being, and just so happy we're friends and we could do this collab together. And I can't wait to see your look. And thank you to any of her subscribers that have joined me for this video today. So I do hope you enjoyed this holiday look and collab, and if you did, show me you did by hitting that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.